Hello and welcome to another YouTube video from Leyba Defense PLLC here in Seattle, Washington. I'm the firm owner, Matthew Leyba, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to create a trial notebook for a DUI jury trial. They're very easy to create, and basically all you need is 4 materials. First, you need a binder. The size is up to you. I've found using 1-inch binders or 3-inch binders are better. The second material that you will need are the actual page dividers that you use that you put inside the notebook. In my trial notebook, I have 11 different dividers. I have one for any motions in limine. I have one for any briefs that I've written. I have one for the discovery, the police report in DUI cases, for example. I have one for any exhibits, if there are photographs, things like that. I have just a general objections section, just in case I can't think of an evidence rule off the top of my head. I actually have it that it's something that I could reference. I have the section for the prosecutor's witnesses. I have a section for any defense witnesses. I have a section for the voir dire. Then I have a section for the opening and a section for the closing, and then I have a section for any jury instructions. And within each section, if I want to break it down even smaller, for example, in my prosecutor witness section, if there are multiple witnesses and I don't feel like creating a separate notebook for them or even using separate page dividers, then I like to separate them using some post-it notes, different colors for the different witnesses. And that's it. It's very simple to create a notebook, but I think it's very important. Number one, it keeps you organized during the jury trial, and then number two, it gets you to start thinking about the case well in advance when you're taking the time to create the notebook. And then lastly, it makes you look professional. If you just show up to a trial and you don't have any sort of organization and you're just writing notes and looking at legal pads, you're not going to look very professional. But if you've taken the time to create a notebook and you have every section that you need, you look very professional in the eyes of the judge as well as the jury, and that's half the battle. So again, thanks for following this YouTube video, and be on the lookout for any future videos about everything and anything DUI related. Thank you.